Good day to my respected fellow lecturer. This is the video presentation for assignment 1 for the subject Engineering Ethics and OSH. So myself, Sharan Kumar Sivakumar, teamed up with Mugilasan Subramaniam to conduct this assignment. So we have interviewed two different engineers from two different industries. One of them is enrolled in the Board of Engineers and while the other is not. So we have asked them a few questions regarding the ethics and code of conduct. So we will see how they are going to answer the questions.
Hello everyone, my name is Vishman and I've been working at KLK in a palm oil mill at Jeram Padang, which is located near Bahau. I've been working in this company for about 1 year plus. Okay, the difference between certified professional engineer and professional engineer is that both engineers are actually registered under BEM, but then certified professional engineer are the one who will be going through certain assessment. They will have to sit for certain assessment, and they will be guided by a mentor for a certain period of time to complete their report. So to be expertise in the selected field. Otherwise, that's the main difference between professional engineer and also certified professional engineer. Thank you. Okay, the type of ethics that I usually practice and mostly related to my workplace is that being honest. The expectation of honesty at work means you have to be very clear and open with everyone. Means when you are at it, it demonstrates trust and also creates an environment of transparency. It's a very important element in all great organization. Besides that, honesty is also important at workplace because it creates the trust among your colleagues, your employer, and also the community of the company. So it's very important because honesty also promotes to a safety and healthy working environment. Okay, if there is any problem related to my working environment, I would usually solve the problem by following the BEM code of conduct. BEM code of conduct is actually a set of internal enforced rules or regulation that the members of professions must follow. So the main intention why I follow this because the code of conduct comprises and it always ensures the safety of public, prevent the exploitation of the client, and preserve the integrity of the profession. In this term, which is the profession of the engineer. So that is one of the strong reason why I will be using the code of conduct of BE.
Hi, good day, everyone. My name is Sarveswaran. I'm an environmental data management engineer in Motorola Solutions Incorporated. I've been working for Motorola for the past 2 years. Uh, I am registered under BM. It was a compulsory thing to do when we graduated from USM. And to answer how much I'm familiar with BM's code of conduct is what I would say is that every company have their own code of conduct, and since BM's code of conduct aligns with that, we are very much familiar with that. To answer the question where the code stated both certified professional engineer and professional engineer cannot receive benefits from more than one party, my opinion for the statement is yes, you shouldn't receive benefits from more than one party or no party at all, that I would say. Any kind of benefits that you receive may be perceived as bribery or something that may compromise your relationship with the company or the clients. So I very much agree with the code of conduct where a certified professional engineer and professional engineer cannot receive benefits from more than one party. Uh, if I receive benefit from more than one party, how do I overcome the situation? the vital thing to do is that you can inform your uh, superiors. They would know how to handle the situation well if you are a new engineer. But if you are someone with more experience as an engineer, you should very well know that accepting this kind of benefits is often like considered as bribery or something that will compromise your relationship with the company. So I think if you're a junior engineer or junior executive, it's vital for you to inform your superior or the management of the company where they know how to handle this if you are accepting this unwillingly or without your knowledge. Any characteristics as an engineer that you bring to your work of line. An engineer, it depends on what line you're working. Uh, it's very much likely that you deal with suppliers and other people where you have to bring engineering ethics. As in my work offline, I deal with suppliers day in day out. I have to get material compliance data from them. Since we are buying parts from them, we have to make sure what we are buying is environmentally safe. So in order for me to do that, first of all, I have to be honest with the suppliers so that they will be honest with me. If I'm doing something, if I'm not transparent to them, they might give me data that are not valid, that might not be acceptable in our company's policy. So the first thing is I have to be honest with them. Second is we have the integrity. So when the suppliers they give me data, they believe that this data does not go out of my company line. So I have to make sure that it stays that way. So it maintains integrity. And the third one is responsibility as an engineer. You have to be responsible to both to communicate with both the suppliers and also your superiors and also your customers. So to maintain the relationship with your suppliers, superiors and customers, it's a engineer's responsibility to let's say if it's email, you have to reply on time. If it's a meeting, you have to be clear and transparent with them with informative I would say informative presentations and stuffs like that. It doesn't matter if you have a meeting day in day out, but you have to be the meeting should be important. So I think these are the main three characteristics as an engineer that you bring to a work of line.